Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video we will open an account on NinjaTrader. It's very easy and quick. So guys, you can either log in, but it's not our case because we're going to be creating a new account, so press on open an account. Guys, I'm going to be using my email, so for the privacy purposes I'm not going to show it, just let me input it. Okay, we have created a user successfully, it's loading now. And guys, as you can see, get started. Live trading accounts, unlimited simulated trading, no deposit minimum, free platform access included. Open an account. Okay guys, so now as you can see in the sign up process we are asked to choose the live account type. We have individual, joint, IRA and business entity. Let me give you a quick explanation about these. So in general you don't even have to Google it, you can just see the description right below it. So first one is account owned by a single account holder, so it's basically like a single account. Then we have for two holders. IRA, it's retirement account available to individuals in the US tax and the US residents only. And business entity, which is, well, basically the account for business. Let's just proceed with individual, press continue. And guys, as you can see in here, we are asked to complete all these fields, right? Okay guys, and in this field, as you can see, we are asked to basically fill in all of the necessary information. You're going to have to do this by yourself. As you can see, we have different basically steps. We have personal information, financial information, experience affiliations, additional users if you want to add any, and review. That's basically going to be like a ending stage of registering. So guys, just make sure to basically fill all of this in. This isn't that hard to do. After that, just press continue until you finish. After that, you need to wait for the approval, I suppose. And of course, don't forget to verify your email as well. And that's basically how it's done, guys. Just make sure that you basically fill in all of the information the way it is that you have it. So if you need to add any official information, maybe some documents or anything like that, make sure it's all correct. Otherwise there may be some mistakes upon registering, and you will spend more time because you will have to fill all of this stuff again. So make sure that everything is accurate. And in general, that's how it's done. Make sure to also choose the country. And yeah, don't forget, you will need a cell phone number. That's it, guys. Thank you for the tutorial. Hopefully you like this one. Enjoy, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.